Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sales strategies with Hootsuite, full guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying your sales strategies with Hootsuite, first, log in to your Hootsuite account. If you do not have an account, create one by visiting the Hootsuite website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Streams tab. In the Streams section, create a new stream to track specific hashtags or keywords related to your sales strategy. Set up streams to monitor direct mentions of your brand and competitors. Incorporate streams to observe engagement metrics across different social platforms. Next, utilize Hootsuite's Analytics feature by clicking on the Analytics tab. Choose the relevant social channels connected to your account. Generate a report that highlights key performance indicators associated with your sales campaigns. Review engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversion metrics presented in the report. Analyze the data to assess the effectiveness of your current sales strategies. If necessary, compare these metrics against previous campaigns for deeper insights. Employ Hootsuite's scheduling tool to plan and optimize your upcoming sales posts. Craft tailored posts and schedule them to align with peak audience engagement times. Once your posts go live, keep monitoring their performance through your designated streams. Continue gathering data and adjust your strategies accordingly based on audience feedback and engagement. Refine your approach by conducting A/B testing on different sales tactics. Leverage Hootsuite's team features to collaborate with your sales and marketing team for synchronized efforts. Regularly revisit your analytics reports to stay updated on your sales performance. Use insights gained for future campaigns, ensuring continuous improvement in your sales strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.